It's just Trump and Biden.
Why I'm innocent.
So, Evan!
That means you killed someone in prison.
Hey,
I just work here. Order in the fucking court.
These are my friends. We have a little group called France 2. On December 31st, 2020, we decided to create a France 2 conjoint Twitter account where all the members of France 2 could just tweet whatever off of. Everything had been going pretty smoothly for the most part until April 20th, 2021, when there was a disturbance in the France 2 community. An evil France 2 Twitter account reared its little ugly head. A villain to France 2, willing to slander the France 2 name, bully its members, and make a few pretty banger tweets, I'm not gonna lie. The worst part was, none of us knew who was behind this account, and until something happened about that, we would be in the dark forever. And then one day, some information leaked through the cracks. This information led us to one person. We knew after this discovery, we needed to take action. So, we lawyered up and went to court.
May the plaintiff make their case against Kyle T. Pais.
Okay, I'd like to point out that I was not the one who collected the evidence, and I kind of have, like, really no pull. Evan!
Yeah?
Evan, I'm trying to speak!
Your man cave looks so comfy.
So... Evan!
Go on.
Okay.
Evan, that's one case of contempt of court to you.
For the main players of this case, we have both the client and the prosecutor, Hiroyuki, the owner and representative for France 2. A lot of my viewers thought that I'm the person behind France 2, and I guess it kind of makes sense with these videos, but no. It turns out the real mastermind behind France 2 is a disabled, transgender Japanese man. It's like a diversity team's wet dream, just saying that out loud. On the other end, we have Kyle Thick Thighs, the accused. Known for never using his microphone in a voice call, he's quite the mystery man. The perfect villain to be the mastermind behind the evil France 2 account. With him was his attorney, Cocoa Dots, aka Plantboy, who was also the judge. Finally, the jury, which was made up of mostly other France 2 members. We also have one more player in this trial, but we'll be bringing them up later. And with all that out of the way, let the trial commence.
The evidence against Kyle is that Eli found out that the phone number to the evil France 2 Twitter account ends in the same two numbers that Kyle's phone number ends with. That being said, we do not have any other stronger evidence, but we don't have matches to that phone number except for Kyle.
From what I've seen of the Twitter account, it does seem like Kyle behavior.
What's that supposed to mean?
If that makes sense. Okay.
Kyle, you're
okay.
British?
No.
You guys have speech issues. Goddamn.
Hi, person.
Hello, person.
That's one case of contempt of court against person meeting.
Stop! This man is.
Wait, Irvin, what are you eating?
I'm eating a Little Caesars pizza and the Choke Me Daddy Little Caesars bread.
Yum.
May the defendant make their opening statement. Kyle, that's you.
Irvin, I thought you were defending Kyle. This
Hey, I just work here.
Kyle, say your goodbyes.
My client is innocent. And even if he's not innocent, he would like to plead insanity. I think this is just a huge misunderstanding. I didn't know it was illegal to make multiple Twitter accounts. Last I checked, I have 5 alternative accounts. Can there be a case of contempt of court against Hero of Hawaii? They are interrupting my opening statement.
No.
This is just Trump and Biden.
You're wearing pants to your court trial.
I'm wearing basketball shorts, fuck ass. The problem with the account wasn't that it was making multiple Twitter accounts, it was making something that was personally against France 2. And as a citizen of France 2, you cannot be doing that shit.
Impersonation is the best form of flattery. I think the evil France 2 Twitter had the best intentions when it was made, and it has brought all of us together. Statements being made by the plaintiff are nonsensical.
It's a trial.
Can you get damage on your phone?
As we know, the name France 2 is actually copyrighted.
No, it's not.
Evil France 2 does not have the right to actually published under the name Evil France 2 because it is one, slander against France, and two, they do not have actual legal permission to be using France 2 in their name.
It's not copyright.
By that statement, it could also be said that France 2 is slandering France. Like
France is public domain.
Therefore, France 2 is also public domain.
No,
Then it's copyrighted. Then why is France 2 making any money from France 2 references Evan makes in his videos? How about that? Order in the court. Hero of Hawaii is recognized.
I want a Big Mac with fries.
What the defendant has just stated has no bearing on this case. Whether it is because France 2 is copyrighted or not copyrighted, any argument is thrown out the window. The defendant is currently gay. We cannot listen to him.
I actually didn't have that in my notes. I'll write that down.
I'd like to bring in a new judge.
No, fuck you out of my fucking courthouse, bitch.
Urban, I like the jokes, but like it's kind of serious. Something just happened with my family. Tomato Town was just wiped
I
out.
don't think it's fair that we have both the head judge and be the defendant of was good pal Kyle. I think we should bring in a new judge, and I like to volunteer this fella right here to run this trial.
Where's the bat?
You just
Is that a corpse?
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Order in the fucking court.
Can we have this person removed?
Only when that bear gets out of my damn face!
Order in the court.
Can't believe you got
Is that
Mexican
true?
coconut head hosting a freaking trial.
This is the real France. This picture frame right here. I can't talk. It is! Talk about.
Back up, you don't have the talk.
Alright, let's get into this. Why I'm innocent.
One case of contempt of court against Steph for
once
echoing.
every 5 tweets, okay? But me, I'm funny every 3 jokes, so it cannot be me. I will fight you. Fuck you. 2, KANYE is
Is that a
about
threat?
okay?
Fair. I'll give you that one.
Therefore, you should trust me more, okay?
Who even is that?
That's Kanye West person.
You would think from the face that's just, but it's like, no.
What are you even saying, person? I just hear vowels.
Moving on.
Kyle, I have a question for you in regards to this case. Hypothetically, if it's not you, who do you say it is?
I will get to that in a bit. Let's get into who it is.
The last player in this trial, Hama, aka Eli. Eli is a member of France 2 who actually couldn't join us in this call at the time, but he does play an important role in this. You see, Hiro mentioned earlier on that they had actually received information from Eli that the last 2 numbers on the Evil France 2 account's phone number matched up with Kyle. However, Kyle is accusing them of being the mastermind behind the Evil France 2 account. This alone raises some pretty interesting points. Let the trial continue.
Why he is responsible. You know this motherfucker is a good liar, and he has tricks.
Where's my gun?
Now why he could have done it. Boost his ego even more. We all know Eli has a god complex, okay? We know it. He always promotes this shitty game, okay? Do not listen to him. Do not play it. It's ugly.
What is Yumi Nico even?
Googling it. It's a Japanese dojin soft animal and
Why did the
Is
judge
that
feeling
you?
it kind of hot?
Damn, Papa, you a rare breed.
This would have been funnier if Eli was in the VC.
Is that your presentation?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Courthouse recognizes Hero of Hawaii to make their cross-examination and questioning to Kyle.
Okay.
Okay, I'm rocking with what you're doing.
I'm blushing.
I could just vote to execute all of you.
No?
I mean, you could, but where's the fun in that?
Ivan, can you stop throwing gangs?
What the fuck is Evan doing?
Looks like Roseanne.
I hope you get shot in the streets, Evan.
Can you draw a little teardrop?
Society is treating you
Okay.
Christ.
So you want to start me,
Evan, did you really just draw a fucking teardrop under your eye?
Yeah.
Evan, that means you killed someone in prison. Order in the court.
I'd say that we do our like number 1 pick and our number 2 pick. So who's like our top sus? Okay.
Oh my god, I put on my headphones, the first word I hear is sus.
Don't say that.
Thing.
my webcam on his Discord without telling me.
Oh my god.
Watching the Evan video.
Where are we even in the trial?
Now see who didn't play the video. Person and Dom. It's Person.
I don't have TikTok on my phone!
And that's a red flag. If it's not you, show us the dents on your door.
Alright, fine, I'll show you the dents on my fucking door. For the people that aren't aware about my global history, I don't know how these got here. I have no clue. They weren't here when I moved. They just kind of showed up one day. I covered them with my jacket because I am ashamed and scared.
Reminds me of McJuggernuggets.
You know what? Here's the thing. I actually have evidence for Irvin. I have evidence that Irvin.
Evidence for Irvin?
You think someone who didn't have malicious intent would make a picture like this?
That is true. You can't argue with this
That is
historical
true.
fact.
Okay, so who are we killing? I still think it might be Kyle.
No.
Okay, well, never mind. Mind changed. It's probably Irvin.
What the fuck did I do?
All in order of saying Irvin is guilty, say aye.
No, fuck you. I want Hero.
Court solved, everyone. Court solved.
So it's solved. It's solved, right?
We did it.
You did it.
If you would like to see more of the France 2 gang shenanigans, check out the videos on screen. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to reach 20k subscribers and we're 2,000 away. And if you would like to participate in a future Discord video, make sure to check out the wallaceprower Discord server in the links below. I've been wallaceprower. Thank you for watching and have a great night.